may power siya kasi medyo iba yung feeling. Magagamay mo naman siya kasi hindi naman siya jerky, hindi tulad ng iba. Siguro mga 5 minutes, ma-master mo na kung paano siya i-ride.
Coming from a NAMI user na alam naman natin na NAMI is king of suspension daw. Pagdating sa mga EKS, I was surprised sa suspension nito. Kanina nasa daan, nilalaro ko siya. Sabi ko, uy, okay ito Hindi mo ramdam yung mga bumps or imperfections.
It's unique when you look at it. It's very visible. The power is there. Maneuverability-wise, it's good. Yung suspension niya is good. So with the common Metro Manila roads, kayang-kaya niya.
Actually, ang na-test ko is Gear 1. They said na up to 45 kilometers per hour. And sa weight ko, for reference na 80 kilos, I was able to get 42 the most, which is not bad para sa Gear 1. Take note, Gear 1.
Once you try the Lycan, yun pala, ang ganda pala niya gamitin.